All right, welcome back once more, guys. We're going to do another stoichiometry problem. This one, we're going to be going from grams to moles, right? So for this shelf work, it says calculate the number of moles of ethane, C2H6, needed to produce 10 grams of water, right? So if you're going from 10 grams of water, which is what you have, you want to go to moles of ethane, right? So here is your balanced equation. This is the product side, so 6H2O is the product side. It should be over here, but the font was too large, so it got pushed down below. So you're trying to get to how many grams of water are necessary to produce moles of ethane, right? So you always start with what you have. So I have all of my puzzle pieces over here. So you always start with what you have, and I have 10 grams of water, and that's going to go up there. Perfect. And I'm trying to get to moles of ethane, right? So if I have 10 grams of water, I can't just go from 10 grams to moles of ethane, right? I have to do a conversion factor. So if I want to go from grams to moles, I have to go from grams to moles first, and then moles to moles, and then moles to ratios. All right. So if we have 10 grams of H2O, and I'm trying to get to how many moles of water I have, I know that since I have grams of H2O on the top, I need grams of H2O on the bottom. And I know that according to the periodic table of elements, 1 molar mass unit of water is equal to 18 grams. So the way I got that was I looked at the periodic table of elements, and I looked at H right there, and it has a molar mass of 1, and then O has a molar mass of 16. I have 2 H's, so therefore I have 2 plus 16 is going to give me 18, right? So that's going to cross these two units off. Remember, it's not going to cross it's not going to cancel off the numbers. It's only going to cancel off the units, so grams of H2O. Now, I'm trying to get to moles of water to then convert, right? So what I'm going to do is, I know that 18 grams of H2O is equivalent to 1 mole of water, right? So now, if I have 1 mole of H2O, I can now try to go to moles of ethanol, or ethane, which is what I'm looking for, right? Since I have moles of H2O on the top, I know that according to my balanced equation, there are 6 moles of water for every 2 moles of ethane. So if I have water up there, I know that I have 6 moles of water for every 2 moles of ethane. So that is how you would set up your equation, right? And of course, according to the dimensional analysis process, this is a 1, right? So what you could do is to figure all of this out, you could multiply the whole top row, so 10 times 1 times 2, which is going to give you 20, divided by the bottom, which is going to give you 18 times 6, and then divvy all that out times 6, and that'll give you your answers in moles of C2H6.